Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Counter-Strike Condition Zero crashing or not launching with simple steps. If your game is crashing or not opening, first run it as administrator, because older games often need extra permissions to start properly. Next, open Steam, go to your library, right-click Condition Zero, select Properties, then Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files to repair missing or corrupted data. After that, set compatibility mode to Windows XP or Windows 7 from the game's executable file. Also, install or repair DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, since missing components can stop the game from launching. You should also disable full-screen optimization and close any background applications that may interfere. Finally, restart your PC and try launching again. Follow these steps and your game should run without crashing. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.